Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today's question is, by reference to the tree below, which of the following is an accurate statement of relationships? And here's the 4 variants to choose from, and I want to start with variant D. A seal is related to a whale but not related to a horse. Seal, whale, horse. In some point in time, which is point Y, all these taxa had a common ancestor, so they are related. So all these taxa which shown here are related. So this is false statement. Now let's check the other statements. A seal is more closely related to a horse than to a whale. All our questions today is going to be about relationship between seal, horse, and whale. So is it true or not that seal is more closely related to a horse than to a whale? They seems like to be very close to each other here, and whale is going to be on the other side, but seal and whale lives in ocean, both mammals, so which one variant to choose? But let's check variant B. A seal is more closely related to a whale than a horse. So it offers us that seal and whale are more closely related than seal and horse. And variant C, a seal is equally related to a horse and whale. Is it true or not? How we are going to solve this problem? Take a look. First of all, we take this line and just make a grid, creating more lines that is going to be parallel to this line. So let's put another line here, another line here, another line here. All these lines here, both that goes in the right direction and left direction, is directly proportional to the time. So let's say this is going to be a time here, which starts from this point and goes in this direction. For example, if we'll take this fragment here, it's correspond to this portion on this time scale. And if we'll take, for example, this fragment, it's going to correspond to the same length on the time scale. It doesn't matter whether it go in this direction or if it is go in this direction. All these fragments, as you see, would make the same fragment on the time scale. Now let's find the distance between seal and horse in time fragments. And here's going to be the first fragment, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. 8 time fragments of the same length between seal and horse. Now let's find how many fragments separate seal and whale. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As you see, the correct answer have to be answer C. A seal is equally related to a horse and a whale. More than that, it is going to be equally related to all these taxa. You can check the statement by counting all these fragments that separate seal and any of these taxa. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.